Let me show you how to get this style for free. For free. Okay, let's get it. Literally, I paid nothing for this hairstyle. Okay? However, welcome back to my channel. My name is Kanitha. If it's your first time here, welcome. First of all, let me just take this time out to say a big thank you to all of you who have subscribed to my channel. I know there are so many new, that's how you know I'm not in the country. I was saying, but I kept getting interrupted by nature, but that's okay. Thank you for helping me reaching my 1,000 goal of subscribers. Thank you. And now we are on our way to 15K. A little bit about my channel. It is all about how to care for your natural hair, especially DIYs for your hair. I occasionally share travel vlogs, try-on hauls, and so on. So stay connected. Also, if this is your first video of me and you are interested in my content, make sure you subscribe for more videos. Now guys, let's get to 15K. Thank you in advance for helping me to reach 15K. So don't forget to subscribe, share, and comment if you like this video. Anyway, so let's get to the video. I'm not sure if you guys can see me, but the lighting is not the best. However, this hairstyle, I'm gonna show you how to get this hairstyle for free, for nothing. I paid nothing for this hairstyle, okay? When I was doing the hair, my camera died, so that's why I didn't get to record it. This is probably 3 days or 4 days later. This is 5 days later. So this is 5 days later. It looks like that. So yeah, so let's get to the hairstyle. So it's gonna be like a voiceover, and as usual, these are the things that you will need to get this style or any crochet style. So of course you will need a crochet needle. I'm using this gel and some moisturizing cream to keep my hair moisturized. You have to keep your hair moisturized under any kind of hair protective hairstyles, okay? And I'm using my hair growth oil to oil my scalp and this here. And this is why, portion of it why this hairstyle is free, because if you check my channel 2 videos before this one, that you will see I did my mom's hair, and I did really this amazing crochet, full crochet hair style for her. It looks like it was coming from her scalp. It was really nice, so check it out if you haven't checked it out. And if you need more information on how to crochet, I do have a lot of videos on my channel, so you can actually get all the detail. Also, I use this braiding hair that I had in this house for such a long time, and I regretted I used that hair, because let me tell you guys, it was so like tangled, like every other like little it was tangling so much. So I wish I could say this hairstyle didn't take me long, but I cannot say that, because normally my hairstyle don't take that long, but this one, it gave me a run for my money. Although like the curling hair, it was only 2 packs and a half. I finished it. I finished it to make it look full, because I was struggling, and where I live, we don't have kind of beauty supply stores. That's what yes, so that's that. So I am going to part my hair to braid my hair from the back, and then from the front I will do the braids, because I was gonna use my own hair to do the front braids, but I said I need some kind of thickness, and I also need length as well. So that's why I use the braiding here. So I am parting my hair from the back and just separate it in a half, so so I can braid the back. I should have braided going the opposite way, meaning like horizontal. It would have been best. So you will see why I said that, because I had to take a little piece of the front portion that I just parted so I can actually cover the back crochet, so the crochet hair, curly hair can fall over it. You may not understand right now, but you will understand later on. Okay, so this is what I'm doing. I'm about to braid the hair, so to crochet the hair. So watch as you. You may ask, like, why do you have this little braid in the back of your hair that you did not braid? Guys, I am thinking about locking my hair, so I just like that one piece of my hair so I can see. Do not judge. You see, you don't see. Okay? This is what I'm talking about, because I looked at the back of the crochet here and it was so gappy. I did not like that. This is the part I was talking about. So after I crocheted the back of my hair and I looked, I was like, oh, this is so gappy. I don't, because if you do it like this and then you do the braid, it will not be full because your hair, your scalp will show. Okay, so I said, this is too gappy. I got to do something. So right now I am actually doing the braid that I should have done, or did all the back of my hair like that. It would have been better. So even with that, I was having a little bit of struggle, a little bit of a hard time, because as you can see, the hair was a little bit long, so I didn't know what to do with the remaining hair. So I did work my magic, okay? I worked my magic. So I kind of folded over the hair one time, and then the remaining of the hair, I tuck it in the back of the crochet hair that you will see. But I will figure it out. I don't know what I'm gonna do with this, but guys, but I know I needed this, and I'm thinking to actually maybe crochet some here on the braid and then just leave it like that so it could just merge. Or I can just take the braid, maybe that's what I'm thinking of, like make it like this, or I don't know, maybe to the back like that. But then when I get there, it's too long, so I'm gonna have to take it again and do it this way. But you'll ask, you probably asking like, or thinking like, how am I get it to stuck? What I'm going to do, I'm gonna just crochet the hair like this on it, so I don't have to do any sewing. I'll just show you guys. But in the meantime, I'm just gonna go. You may also wondering, why didn't she do just one braid going? No, because if I did one braid going down, when I do the crochet, it would not look nice. So it would not look like it's coming from my scalp. So that's why I did half, like almost 75% of one side and then 25% on the other side, because then it would not attach. It would not look like it's attached to my scalp. Do you get it? Let me know. How I take the remaining piece of hair and I tuck it from the back of my hair, because I didn't want to put it over it again, so it would be, the crochet would probably be like, I don't want to do what you're trying to make me do. So now let's get to the front of the hair. I mean, I did do the other half of my hair off camera because I was so annoyed and I just wanted to get it done, and it was late. Okay, so now I'm showing you on this side of my hair how I did the braid. I'm sure you guys, if you guys know how to braid, you guys will know. So this is what I'm doing. And I was so frustrated with this hair. This hair was tangled. Every little piece of hair was tangling. I said, never again will I use this hair. And yes, guys, so it came out looking nice. I think I did a good job. I think it came out looking nice after all the struggle. It's fine. Right now, I am enjoying the hair. So I'm looking my edges. As you guys know, I'm not really big on edges, leaving this outside, but I regretted I didn't leave a little bit of hair in the front just to do my edges. But right now it doesn't matter because it's too hot. My edges not staying down, and there is no edge control that I use that will keep my hair down except leave-in conditioner. Isn't that crazy? But in my hair, there's one thing with this, it's tangled. So do one, but if you don't know how to do hair, you may have to pay a couple of hundreds. Okay, maybe 200, maybe 250, maybe 300 for this style. I don't know how much a style like that will cost. Let me know in the comment section below. This is a crochet and braid. Let me know in the comment section below how much this hairstyle that if you get this, if you have gotten this hairstyle, how much you paid for it and how much you think it goes for. Guys, thank you for watching again. If you like this video, you like this style, leave me a comment in the comment section below and let me know how you think I did. And don't forget to like, subscribe, share, and comment. Interact with my channel, interact with this video, let me know. And also too, I be posting shorts. Let me know what you think, especially that short with the pop the balloon episode. What? Like I always say, have a joyful, a peaceful, a wonderful, and a blessed day. And I'll see you in the next video. I think I'm about to go to the beach because it is too hot. Too hot. Bye. There are so many new, and it is so hot. So I'm trying. This thing volume just got higher and higher and higher. I'm gonna take a break because it's too hot.